Welcome to another video. Today I'll be changing the auxiliary battery on a Mercedes E220. So the battery on the E220 on this particular model, which is a 2014, is going to sit in the boot. So if we open the boot lining, and then there's a clip here to make it rest on here, and then there's a cover here. If we just remove the cover, there's no screws on the cover, usually it will come off. If you do find one, there is another, I can feel there's another screw here, but in this car there isn't one, so I'm just going to pull this out. You need to remove the two power points and also the bolt that fastens the battery itself. So we'll remove the ground first, because the entire car is ground, the chassis is on ground, so if we open the positive and it touches the ground and the chassis, you know what's going to happen, so rather not go down that road. So let's quickly remove that. Oh, that's pretty loose anyway. Okay, the bolt will not come off but it's all fastened already, so don't worry about the bolt. We leave that somewhere down here. Now we're going to remove the plastic cap. Yep. Place the caps inside and now remove the positive. The screws are pretty loose on this, so remove it with that hand as well. Yep. Now that we've removed both connections, we'll remove the fastening screw. Right, that comes off, and the lift lid up, and disconnect the cooling pipe as well, and the battery comes out here. Here's the battery. It's a 12 volt 200 amp battery. This is made by Mercedes. We're going to replace it with a Varta. Yep, that's the same battery, 12 volt 200 amps. Place the battery back, put the pipe back in. It should go in as it's an identical replacement. Put the nut back on. It's done. We don't need to use the screws that are provided, because the screws are already fastened onto the cable itself. So we'll just see if it actually goes in. They're a bit different. So yeah, these ones are a bit different to the ones they provided. So I think what these ones need are their locking nuts as well. So let's see if we need those. Okay, that needs fingers here. Let's check if they the same size. Yep, so in this case we will need to use the mounting bolts that are provided with this, so that would slide into the battery inside. So let's see if it goes in. Which way? That way goes in one, and the second one will go in this way, that way. That goes in, and let's try this one more time. Hopefully we'll make success. Yep, that's fine, that's gone in. That's one, and the other one, we'll do the same, fasten it in. Okay, and because we're not using the identical battery, we've got just tight enough so it feels that it's secure. Yep, and that's how you replace the battery. I'll just reverse everything what we've done before, and we just need to put the negative cap on. Means we have a positive cap on like it was. So that goes back on. So that's secure. And the cover goes back on as it was. There we go, the cover is back on as it should, and that's how you replace the battery. That's all done. Hi, just to let you guys know that the error appears in the front on the speedometer here when you turn the ignition on. So as soon as the ignition is turned on, you'll see an aux error, but now the new battery has been replaced, there's no error, so you can start the car and you can see the error has disappeared. So yeah, I hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.